Before using super glue to glue down anything, watch this quick video. We are going to tell you how can you prevent super glue from sticking your fingers together. Let's start quickly. Use finger clots. The easiest way to avoid getting super glue is by using finger clots to avoid contact. If something goes wrong, you can toss them. Finger clots are great because they are tight-fitting, cheap, and maintain a good grip on most of surfaces while repairing even small parts. Use gloves. Wear disposable nitrile gloves to avoid contact. It will save your fingers from sticking together. Avoid contact another way. Don't try to apply the super glue directly on the object you are gluing. You can use pliers and tweezers to hold the parts instead of your fingers. Use any natural oil. Massage your fingers with any natural oil, but do not oil up things you want to join together. Oil breaks glue bonds. Use petroleum jelly. Massage your fingers with petroleum jelly, but do not let petroleum jelly stick to joining edges of things you want to join together. Petroleum jelly breaks glue bonds. Share with us in comments if you found any better idea to prevent super glue from sticking to fingers. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos and updates. Thanks for watching.